I've been using the Wells Fargo One Key card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the One Key card. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Wells Fargo One Key card. One of the standout features of this card is its ability to earn up to 9% cash back in One Key cash on eligible purchases made through platforms like Expedia, Hotels.com, and Vrbo. Additionally, it offers 3% cash back on dining, groceries, and gas, along with 1.5% on all other purchases. This makes it a competitive no annual fee card for users focused on travel savings. Moreover, with Silver Elite status, you can enjoy perks like discounted hotel rates and room upgrades. However, there are some drawbacks. For instance, while the reward structure is solid, redemption is restricted to the Expedia Group ecosystem, which limits flexibility. Users seeking cashback or transferable points might find this less appealing. Despite these drawbacks, the card includes valuable perks such as trip cancellation insurance, primary rental car insurance, and cell phone protection of up to $1,000 annually, adding peace of mind for frequent travelers. Additionally, the user experience is straightforward, with no foreign transaction fees and easy integration with travel bookings. Overall, the Wells Fargo One Key card is an excellent pick for budget-conscious travelers who frequently book through Expedia. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.